Hey guys, this is Bucky with Web20Ranker.com. We're going to review how to use our store credits. If you've already watched the first video on how to purchase store credits, then that's great. If not, go ahead and watch that video first and then come back here. So first thing we want to do when we're at Web20Ranker.com is make sure that we're logged into our account. There's a couple of different ways you can do that. You can either go to the Resources tab under your account and click on Your Orders, or you can scroll all the way down to the footer and click on My Account. Either way, it's going to take you to the same place. If you haven't already registered for an account, which at this point, if you're in this video, you probably have, but if not, go ahead and register for one using this registration form. Otherwise, we're just going to log in with our logins here on the login side. Awesome. So now that we're logged in, we want to check and make sure that we actually do have those credits. They have been applied to our account. We can do so by clicking on Coupons, and this is where you'll see those. So I've got a couple of different options here. I've got a $1,000 store credit, and I've got a $2,000 store credit. These are just a couple of different examples of what they may look like, right? I've also got other discount codes applied to this account as well. So if you've got any other discount coupons and they're attached to your account, they're going to live in this coupon tab. So cool, we've got our credits. We know that we've got $3,000 that we can then spend on our purchase, right? So let's say, for example, we're looking at GMB. We want to do the GMB Accelerated. So we'll click on Take Me to Pricing. Awesome. Let's say, hey, let's go ahead and throw the book at it, right? Let's get all three phases. Let's do the Complete Accelerated GMB. So we'll click on our Complete GMB Accelerated here. This is going to take us to our Buy Now page. We're going to choose our campaign level, which is the Complete GMB SEO Accelerated. All phases 1, 2, and 3. We're going to choose our content level. And let's throw some custom signals in there as well, right? So as you can see, it updates the cart, shows you your subtotals as well as your total. We're at 1448. We could still do some more damage, right? Let's crank it on up. Let's grab all the add-ons. Let's see how that works. So all the add-ons plus premium content. There we go, 2584, right? So we've got 3,000 in store credit. We're covered, right? Let's add that to cart. Make sure your quantity is what you need it to be, whether you're just getting 1 or 2 or whatever. We're just going to do 1 for this example. So we're going to add to cart. All right, as I can see, I do have some other stuff in my cart saved in my account. I don't want to purchase this today, so let's take that quantity down to 0. We're going to click on Refresh Cart. How does that look? Yep, that cart looks good, right? So at this point, we're going to use our store credit, right? So all you have to do, since we're logged in and everything, is click on these store credit buttons. It's going to apply it. It'll take that 2,000 off. As you can see, it's updated the price, and now I'm down at $584.50. But I don't want to pay anything today. I've got those store credits. Let's go ahead and use this $1,000 store credit as well. Awesome. Now my total's down to 0. Wonderful. And the remaining balance is just going to live in my account under that credit, right? So we'll click on Proceed to Checkout. And that's it. Simple as that. Fill out the rest of this information. As long as this matches the credit card that's going to be on the account, that sort of thing. That's all you've got to do to use store credits. Hope that helps. Make sure you click on this I've read and agree to the terms, place order now, and you're off. Obviously, you're going to grab that order number at the end of this when you get your receipt, and then take that over to SEOreports.agency to submit for your campaign. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.